worked for the Maine Revenue Service. She was explaining, like, here are all the tax reasons to get married. See, I hate that whole, like, are you gonna go, they gonna go game. We talked about that. I don't like the cruiser. I don't like the Rice Rocket style. I want to sit up. I want to look around. I want to feel like I have more control of the bike. There's just too many factors against you to be like casual and relaxed. But I get that it works for all those guys who like it. So I looked at a property up here not that long ago. It was gorgeous. The price was great. We'll pass it on the left, I think. Up the hill. Yeah. Yeah, it's right on the left there. The property we looked at down River Road on the left, about 200 yards down. And everything was great. I was going to buy it. And then I found out that the well has radon in it. And in the water. Like, I wouldn't worry about it if it's a basement because they have mitigation. But like, how the hell do you get radioactivity out of your water? So I'm just like, never mind. Like, it's beautiful, but I don't want to die of leukemia anytime soon. I feel bad. It's a beautiful piece of property, but is that a good one? Did you want that one? All right. Yeah. I gotta get my orange stickers, I guess. All right. Yeah. Have you been on this one? Yeah, no, it's good. I haven't ridden off-road in a long time, so I just want to take it easy. Not this season, no. Just trails, like packed road, like gravel. Yeah, but this is packed. This is no big deal. Not yet, anyway. I don't know what happens later. Well, I have the stock tires on too, which everyone says aren't good enough, but I just, you know, I've spent a lot of money on the bike. I'll replace the tires when they're done. Yeah, they're fine. I mean, they're practically new. I mean, the bike only has 1,700 miles on it, and it's all road miles. Yeah, I mean, these are like 50-50 tires. 50 off-road, 50 on-road, but yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm looking at the sign here. Whoopsie. Oh, okay. All right, I'm behind you. I was just looking at the sign. Oh, nice. Looks like we're a Christmas tree farm, or are one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, just take your time before you take a Y to make sure it's a bike trail, not a pedestrian trail. Yeah, because I think like horseback riding trails might work too for bike if you're allowed. Yeah, no, I might, we'll see how this trail goes, but my wife's been saying, I want to go off-road. I'm like, this might be nice as a first trail. Yeah. No, it's just good to have the company too and get out. Someone who enjoys it. Yeah. Well, yeah. I always worry, like, is how far out are my panniers? I want to clip them home. They are a little further than my legs. I gotta maybe like spread my knees out to cover it, make sure I can make it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's too. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, you got to find someone who's in your bracket. Because trying to keep up with one of those guys. Plus, if they want to, yeah, if they want to ride like that and you don't, then it's kind of annoying. Oh yeah, no, these bikes are, I consider this like an all-trail bike, but, and I guess you have the skills, anything can be an off-road bike, right? Yeah, no, I mean, I think if you're doing the adventure thing and you got your tent and you want to get somewhere, but just if you're just out to like play in the dirt, I don't think this is the right bike. And I would say yours too, probably, yeah. Yeah, I mean, but my wife's 250, you know, that might be fun to take out. Yeah. The other thing I worry about these trails is someone hammering down it the other way, you know. I think this time of year we might be okay though. Yeah. But uh-oh. Yeah. Well, that's why I have the engine guards and all this. That's the thing too, like I have those bags that go in the engine guards, but if I drop it, I want to think about like, what am I going to put in there that won't get fucked up? Like, if I put a first aid kit, that's mostly soft stuff, like, but if it has a bottle or whatever, you know.